Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new OnePlus Nord 5, and let me tell you, it's turning heads in the mid-range market. From its sleek design to powerful performance, this phone is packed with value, but is it really worth your money? Let's find out. First off, the design of the OnePlus Nord 5 looks premium right out of the box. It has a glass back with a smooth matte finish that feels great in the hand. The phone is slim and lightweight, and those thin bezels around the display give it a modern and high-end look. You get two beautiful color options this year, Arctic Sky and Midnight Ash, and both look stunning. When it comes to the display, you're getting a large 6.74-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling, gaming, and watching videos feel super smooth. Plus, the HDR10 Plus support means colors pop, and brightness is more than enough even for outdoor use. Whether you're watching Netflix or gaming on the go, the screen won't disappoint. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. That means performance is solid, apps launch quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and you can play graphic-heavy games without any major lags. The phone stays cool even during extended gaming sessions, which is a big plus. Software-wise, it runs Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14. The UI is clean, smooth, and free from bloatware, and OnePlus has promised 3 years of major Android updates along with 4 years of security patches. That gives users peace of mind and makes this phone a long-term option. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890, the same sensor used in several flagship phones. Daylight photos are crisp, detailed, and color accurate. Low-light performance is also pretty good with improved nightscape features. There's also an 8-megapixels ultrawide lens, which is just okay, not amazing, but it gets the job done. The 16-megapixels front camera handles selfies well, with nice details and skin tones, and it's great for video calls or vlogging. Video recording supports up to 4K at 30 FPS, and with electronic image stabilization, your footage comes out steady even while moving. Battery life is another strong point. You get a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day even with heavy usage. And thanks to 100W SUPERVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. That's insanely fast and super convenient for people on the go. So, what's the bottom line? For a starting price of around $399, the OnePlus Nord 5 delivers a flagship-like experience at a mid-range price. You get a premium design, excellent display, fast performance, reliable battery life, and a solid camera setup. It's hard to ask for more in this price bracket. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the OnePlus Nord 5? Are you planning to get one or sticking with your current phone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.